How to see message from message unavailable error in Instagram. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how. So in this video we are going to find out, so let's start. For that, open up your Instagram application first and tap on the DM icon at the top right and head over to a chat where you are getting this kind of expiration or message unavailable error. So if you have this message unavailable and you want to view that error on Instagram, it typically means the message, photo, or video content is no longer accessible. So if you're trying to view that message, when you go ahead and tap on it or try to do anything with that particular error message right on your screen, unfortunately we cannot view it. So some of the possible reasons why it is happening is because maybe if someone sends you a link to a photo or video but it has already been deleted by them, you will be seeing this kind of error on your screen. Otherwise, sometimes Instagram might be experiencing technical difficulties that can cause content to temporarily becoming unavailable. In that case, you can just go ahead and try updating the app. For that, head over to Play Store and then go to search and then go ahead and search for Insta and then go ahead and update your app if there is any kind of update. Otherwise, also try clearing the cache of Instagram app. For that, long press on Instagram and then go to the info section at the top. And from here, you may scroll down and go to storage and clear cache and also clear data if necessary. Apart from that, what may be the reason that you are getting that kind of message? Because maybe you have been blocked by the user, or you may still see their profile like this. For example, you may just go to their profile, you may still see their profile but not be able to view their stories or send them new messages. So that is it. Otherwise, sometimes network issues also happen, so you can get this kind of message. So for now, you may follow up this method in order to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.